I don't know how I got muted, but can you leave me a testimonial also?
Me?
Yes, you said you would.
Yes, I'm so ready to leave this testimonial,
Oh,
y'all.
Lord.
Man, before I even found you guys, I've been in prayer a lot, and I was just like asking God, like, what can I do? And I was literally at my ends rope when I actually saw you guys in the shade room as well. And I clicked on it, and then when I wrote you, I was like, is this real? Because I really need like hope. And you told me just to come on and see the video. And when I watched the live, then I was like, I got so much hope. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna put whatever I have left in my little bank. I'm gonna just go ahead and sign up for the 3 days, and I'm just see what it do from there. And I'm so blown away. I'm completely blown away, and I finally see like the light at the end of the tunnel. Because for a while, I'm just like, I did not see a light at the end of the tunnel, and I just worked myself to death on things that aren't fruitful. But just hearing the wealth of knowledge from you guys and seeing the wealth just in you, I just cannot wait to get my first contract done and my first deal, because I'm excited. I'm completely excited. This absolutely exceeded all expectations for me.
Thank you for sharing. I appreciate that. Thank you so much, Miss Park.
Wow.
Thank you.
Wow.